What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free gems, coins, and unlimited stamina in Baseball 9. This method is super easy, guys, and it's going to allow you to dominate the game, and it takes just a few minutes of your time. So that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial, guys. So if you want free gems and free coins for Baseball 9, stick around and follow the instructions that I'm going to run through now. So you need to use a mobile phone, of course. This works on iOS or Android, and it is working in 2024. So first step, guys, you need to make sure you, of course, have Baseball 9 installed on your mobile device. This is my spare phone, so I don't actually have it installed, but I can still sort of run through the steps that you need to take. So, of course, have Baseball 9 installed on your phone, and make sure it's fully updated as well. And then you need to open up the internet. So have an internet connection, open up the internet browser of choice, and go to the following website: www.speedyplugin.com. So Speedy Plugin, this is a awesome website that I discovered, and yeah, you need to go to this site basically, guys, and you can see on this screen there is tons of different sort of modded apps. This is a modded app store, completely free and 100% safe. So you go to the search bar and search for Baseball 9, and this is the Baseball 9 mod. It says click to get the Baseball 9 mod with unlimited coins, stamina, gems, and more features. So this is basically going to allow you to unlock everything in the game for completely free, and yeah, it's pretty easy. You click on that, and you can see, guys, it's going to give you the modded app on your phone, so you can run this in the background as you play Baseball 9, and it's going to allow you to basically get unlimited resources in the game. So basically it says follow the instructions on the next screen. So go ahead, tap that button, and this is going to say finding Baseball 9 latest version, and it's going to run through a process, and yeah, that is how you do it, guys. Pretty easy. When you get to the end of that process, there will be a couple of tasks you need to complete, which is super easy. Just basically verifies your device, and that gets you the modded Baseball 9 app. So go to speedyplugin.com, search for Baseball 9, and enjoy, guys. Super easy, by far the easiest method, and this is going to allow you to dominate the game and save you a ton of money, so you will not need to purchase any more gems and coins using real money. So yeah, enjoy, guys. Smash that like button, and I'll see you next time.